Hola y buenos días. Hoy es viernes, el 20 de noviembre. El plan para hoy, we're going to focus on I can ask questions in Spanish. It's going to be our target. And also, vamos a corregir, correct page 39, 39. Practice the preposition chant, question word song, and days of the week song. So all three of those. Also, you need to join Flipgrid today. This is how we are going to assess you on your speaking. So that is kind of the end of the try assessment. Also, you will complete, I need you to, for your homework, to complete Quizlet set number 6. It's only 6 points, but you have to get 90% or better on the quiz and complete the learn and memory. There are only like 16 terms or something on interrogative words. So do that. And then also there's an AR verb labyrinth or maze, and I'll tell you guys about that in a second. And then there's going to be a quiz on Wednesday, una prueba el miércoles en las palabras interrogativas, como, por qué, a dónde, etc., etc. Okay? So you can check your homework here. Just make sure. So you're forming questions from each statement. So here's a statement. Mariana canta en el coro de la escuela. And all you needed to do was either invert, you know how we showed that, inverting, or just changing the punctuation. So literally it is the same sentence, the statements here, and then you can put the punctuation, and just by changing the tone of your voice, you change it into a question. Or you can invert, like I said, put the verb here and the subject here, or you can put Maria at the end, or you can give her a tag. If you went and did interrogative words, that's fine too. You could also use those. So that's how we did that one, okay? Just check your work. And then, qual palabra? Que palabra goes here. So those are pretty much, it has to be just these. It can't stray from that. So it's all dependent upon the answer. So you had to look at the answer to decide what question to ask. So here's our laberinto loco, the AR verbs. What you are going to do is you're going to complete this for Monday. You should have a copy of this in your distance materials. If you can't find it, you can copy it. And then if for some reason you don't have it and you don't have a printer, then you're going to reproduce this by writing it out. You're going to start at the empieza here, and you're going to choose or navigate around here. So we started here, we study. So would you go estudia, estudiamos, or estudian? So we study, we know is estudiamos. So you're going to draw, it says draw lightly with a pencil first, then you're going to color it in with a marker or a highlighter so I can still see it. And then you're going to turn that in and then I can check it. So estudiamos goes here, and then you're here, and then you have to decide, do I go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way? It says I watch. So where do you go from here? So remember, o, as, a, amos, ais, an. Those are endings for AR verbs. So follow that and you will get to, your goal is to get out here, this is we need right out here. So out the end, okay? So you're going to do that and then turn that in, all right? All right, and then Quizlet. This is that Quizlet. So number 6. Now that you've completed number 4 for today, 20 points. Hopefully you finished that. Ojalá. I hope. Question words are in your Quizlet classroom, in our classroom. And you're going to complete these 3 activities. Test, 90% or higher. Learn, okay? It's like, I think it's multiple choice. And then memory. There might be a couple other things too. Memory is a good one. I like that because it's just a speed test, and there's just a whole, they don't even test you on all of them, but see if you can beat my best memory score. I think it was like 11.5 seconds. So see how you do with that. Buena suerte. Here's los días de la semana. You can sing along. Yes, you're going to be tested. Our test will have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. You need to know those by heart by now, okay? If not, then sing along. Okay. Also, here those interrogative words, which will help you for that quiz next week. So listen to this again and get to know those. And don't forget izquierda, derecha, delante, detrás. Practice your position, prepositions of position. This is a good one. So go ahead and do that again. Okay. And this is one more thing I need you to do. This is mandatory. Have you joined Flipgrid yet? we're going to have a speaking exam or assessment, I want to say. You'll need to be in our class because that final speaking exam will be through Flipgrid. So click below on your class. So if you're a distance learner in one of my second hours, one of my fourth hours, fifth hours, please choose the correct class. If you're not sure, look it up in Student View, but some of you have been choosing the incorrect class, and that is kind of a nightmare for me. So you're going to click on it, and that'll bring you to Flipgrid, and you're going to join here. You join with Google, and then put in your school stuff, okay? And that is it. So espero que tengan un buen fin de semana. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to join Flipgrid, do your Quizlet, and do your maze, and that's for Monday. And then we're going to be joining all you distance learners are going to be with everybody in the same lesson plan with everything. It's going to be streamlined, and hopefully the end of the year or end of the trial, we'll have a great end of the trial. Okay, hasta luego, ciao.